for 18-year-old Zachary Smuck up top. To his left, the aforementioned Alfredo Midense, and the man to watch for the host tonight. And Noah Powder with Ethan Hoard sitting in behind. He can go up top as well. Those three players, watch out for a lot of movement tonight.
Cheer for your team.
Ethan Hoard in his first professional season gets us underway. 45 on the clock from Fresno State Soccer Stadium. Clipped in behind. Brought down well by Mariona into the box. Looking for shooting space. Saved by Delgado. First shot miscued. Falls right back to Jose Carrera Garcia. Hailstorm trying to shore up defensively. They've left Carrera Garcia open for the long-range strike. And David Garcia was in the way of it. First corner of the night. Swung in by the number 10 to the top of the 6. And Delgado had to get a hand to it.
Unlike baseball, you don't get to keep the souvenir balls when they get hit in the stands. Sorry.
Lovely footwork from Mariona. Shot deflected. Comfortable in the end for Delgado. Martinez nearly turned by Carrera Garcia. And the first half will end scoreless.
That's the first half.
Select, the official match ball supplier of the USL Championship and many elite leagues throughout Europe. Visit us.select-sport.com for the latest Select products, specials, and more. Select, the player's choice. Sliding challenge comes up empty, and the shot fired wide. Javier Mariona on a tear. Martinez winning it in midfield. Here's Noah Powder on the charge. To the edge of the 18. Early cross. Difficult height for Robles to try and get a foot to it. Real Gil trying to cut in onto his right and does. Setting it up for Rendon. And Aviles flying to tip the deflected shot over the bar. Hailstorm are starting to find the pieces. First corner is in! A header just a few yards out, and just like that, Hailstorm take the lead on the road.
Ethan Hoard.
A deadly ball in from Chelo Martinez. Every time Real Gil has gotten on the ball, he has taken a progressive forward first touch. Every time the ball is at his feet, he wants to go right at goal. And now with fresh legs off the bench, he's able to recover his ground if he's caught out. Central Valley trying to catch Northern Colorado out here. It's Siobhan John Brown! Only a fraction wide. Training ground play. Noah Powder strike, knuckling over the bar. Tor with a nice move by Real Gil. Gets the pass away. Kevin Garcia given space. Midense not so much. Colorado gonna try and break. A lot of space in behind for Noah Powder with numbers arriving. Rendon one of them. Powder keeps it himself. To the top of the D. Tries on goal. Aviles seeing it all the way. Garcia once again getting in the way of things. David Garcia has been the brick wall so far at the back for Northern Colorado. Ball into the box. Midense lays it off. And a comfortable stop in the end for Delgado. Martinez with a deeper delivery this time for Rendon, who wanted a deflection that the referee did not see. Back into the starting 11 after serving a suspension last time out. Gil going for the curler. Much better performance from him in the later stages. Here's Ethan Hoard in the box. Needing help. Almost fell to Chelo Martinez. Does fall to Real Gil. Onto his left. And once again, Carlos Avila is in the way. Clayton Tor doing a good job of forcing Real Gil onto his weaker left foot in the box. Apollon is tucked inside. He'll try on goal. Right at Lalo Delgado.
Shot by
Free header. Not a lot of venom on it. Eshawan Nemhard's momentum taking him away from the shot. 89th minute now. Delgado wants to go quickly. And there's space. Hoard. Keegan. Powder! Forced to play short to Lemus. Swept for John Brown. Diving header away. First time volley flicked on. It was clever. And it didn't have a lot of power from Deshaun Nemhard. Continuing his run, Keegan for Hernandez. Blocked once again. Rendon picking up the rebound and trying the curler. Head coach Eamon Zaya told us earlier this week of taking the intensity and the hunger from that Jägermeister Cup win into league play, and they've done just that on the West Coast.
Concluded with tonight's match with a score